In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Joomla 4. If you've been looking to enhance your website with engaging video content, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward, so even if you're new to Joomla, you'll be able to follow along with ease. We'll begin by navigating to the Media Manager in Joomla. To get there, log into the back end of your Joomla site, and from the top menu, choose Content. From there, click on Media Manager. This is your central hub for managing all multimedia files, including images, audio, and of course video. Make sure you're familiar with this area, as it's a powerful tool for organizing your site's media content. Next, you'll want to decide where to store your video file. You can either select an existing folder or create a new one. Keeping your files organized is key, especially if you plan on uploading multiple videos or working with various media types. If you wish to create a new folder, look for a button or link that allows you to do so, and give the folder a clear, descriptive name. Once your folder is ready, click on the Upload button. This action will prompt a dialog box where you can browse your computer for the video file you wish to upload. After locating your video file, click Start Upload. Depending on your file size and internet speed, the upload process may take a few moments, so be patient as Joomla handles the task. With your video now in the Media Manager, it's time to add it to an article. Head over to the Content section again, and this time choose Articles. Select the article you'd like to edit. This is where you'll be embedding your video. After opening the article, place your cursor precisely where you want the video to appear. It could be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, depending on how you want the content to flow. To proceed, click on the CMS Content Media button in the editing toolbar. This button is critical as it allows you to insert multimedia files directly into your articles. Select the video file you uploaded and make sure to choose the Embed option. Once you've done that, click Insert Media. Your video is now embedded within your article, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a video to your Joomla 4 site. Remember to preview your article to ensure everything looks just the way you want, and don't forget to save your changes. Adding video content is a fantastic way to make your site more dynamic and engaging for visitors, so start exploring and enliven your pages today.